Executive presence, something that we all need to understand more in detail. You could be at a job, you could be just starting out, or you could be even having a business where you really want to be looked at as a leader in your field. Hi, I'm Dia Asrani. I'm a personal branding coach, and if you really like what you see, then do subscribe to my channel for all things related to personal branding, building your presence, and taking yourself to the next level in your industry. In this video, I want to talk about something extremely important, especially for your career. How to build your executive presence in the industry. I've come up with 5 quick elements, but how am I going to explain these 5 elements is something that you really need to concentrate on. Okay? When we talk about these 5 elements, it's going to be something on the lines of you trying to inculcate them in your own career. Okay? So the first element that I want to talk about is clarity. When we talk about clarity, it should be clarity in your message, clarity in your role, clarity in how you do things for people in your company. Okay? Now you also need to have clarity about who you are as a person. So your role in the company should be really evident enough so that people see your presence and they know that you are here for a reason. Now again, it's not about how good you are at your skills. That's a different ball game altogether. That's also working on the excellence of what you do. But your presence has to be something that people feel in the company. Okay, so even when you're starting out and you want to grow, you want to get promoted, you want to eventually lead lead a team or maybe lead a company, who knows, you need to have clarity in what are your goals and what you can do further so that people see you as the executive in their field. Okay, the second one which I want to talk about, or rather the second element, is confidence. When we talk about confidence, it's about your body language. It's about who you are as a person. It's about your expressions. It's about what you say to people. When we talk about confidence, it's not only about saying that I can do this job. Confidence comes from the words that you also tell people. Over a period of time, you can build it. Now, if you feel that, okay, you want to build your executive presence, but you're not sure that if people are going to actually hear you or get inspired by your words, practice it more. Stay committed to practicing more and your confidence will definitely increase. Now there is a very thin line between being overconfident and confident. Lot of people who are executives who want to build their executive presence, they think they need to be a little more overconfident so that they can lead as a leader in that company. But let me tell you one thing, that if you want to build your executive presence as a confident leader, you also need to have a balance between being humble, okay, and being somebody who knows what they are saying. Okay. Now the third element that I want to talk about is commitment. Commitment not only towards your own goals, but towards the company's goals. Commitment that you're going to do your job and you're going to do the best and do what it takes to actually get work done. Whatever you say, you're committed to doing it. Say you say that, okay, I'm going to be finishing this today. I'm going to get this done by my team. You have to make sure that you do it and you do something about it. Tomorrow, if your team member comes to you and says, look, I could not do this, it is your responsibility. Okay? Though it's their fault, they have not done it because of personal reasons or whatever, but then you have to take the responsibility because in the end, you're working as a team in the industry. Okay? Especially in the company. Now, the fourth element that I want to talk about is connect. Connect with people around you. Okay? And I would not only say this with your team, I would say connect with people like networking or going and talking to people outside your company, trying to be there to listen to people, to know where they come from so that they can hear you and they can know where you come from. When you're building your executive presence, it is very, very important to understand this one thing. People thrive on connection. Okay? So any kind of presence that you want to create, you want to become a leader in your industry, you want to get a promotion, you want to do well in what you're doing, you want to get that hike in your salary, you have to understand one thing, that if you don't connect with people, there's no sense in it. Now let's understand this one thing, that suppose if you're an introvert, okay, that doesn't mean that You have to force yourself to become an extrovert. Even introverts can really connect with people in their own ways. Okay? And the fifth element that I want to talk about is create. Create energies, create strategies, create new plans, new ways, new ideas to take things forward in your journey, so that tomorrow when people see you as the leader in your field, they understand where all this is coming from. Okay? Creation actually is so important for an executive presence, because suppose there's a challenge that you're facing. Okay? You're not going to be only stuck to that challenge, right? There's going to be another way to see it. There's going to be another way to do it. So when you have to create something for it, you have to create a new angle, a new way of doing things, so that people see that you at least have a solution for that challenge. So understand this one thing when it comes to building your executive presence. It's more about building your elements, okay? That is clarity, confidence, commitment, connecting, and finally creating, okay? When you have these set, you can start building your executive presence in no time. So I hope you liked this video, and if you really enjoyed this, then do share your comments below, share your thoughts on the same. I would love to hear from you. And if you're somebody who's really building an executive presence, don't think twice when it comes to watching this video all over again, okay? I really want you to stay tuned for more of my videos. Do watch out for the future videos that are coming up, where I'll talk about more on similar topics. I will see you around. Bye-bye.